Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and navigating to Accessibility. Touch, then Assistive Touch. Turn it on now. Once enabled, go to Custom Actions and choose which gesture will lock the screen. Pick single tap, double tap, or long press depending on your routine. Make sure to keep the physical side or top button available if you still want it. Test the gesture immediately to confirm it triggers the lock screen. This step gets you the basic shortcut, so you can skip pressing hardware buttons. Next, tap your chosen custom action and select Lock Screen from the System Actions list. This binds the gesture to locking. Once assigned, customize the Assistive Touch floating button's position so it doesn't cover important UI. Drag it to an edge or corner that feels natural. Then tweak visual settings, reduce idle opacity, and remove extra menu items so the button is unobtrusive but responsive. By refining these details, you make locking fast and reliable without disrupting app interactions or visibility. To finish, test the new lock gesture across different apps and the home screen so you know it works everywhere. If the gesture doesn't register, restart your device and try again. Sometimes the system needs a refresh. Reassign the action if it still fails. Make sure no other accessibility shortcuts conflict with Assistive Touch. If problems persist after resetting accessibility settings, document the steps you tried and contact support. This final sweep ensures the Assistive Touch lock behaves as the only locking method you rely on.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.